The U.S. Department of Defense's 2019 UAV Countermeasures Directorate is working on technology that could neutralize large groups of enemy drones. The popularity of drones on the battlefield is growing at a tremendous rate. According to the Royal United Services Institute, Ukraine is losing 10,000 drones every month in the war against Ukraine. FPV drones, for less than $1,000, can destroy military equipment worth millions of dollars. The appearance on the battlefield of a swarm of drones capable of flying in a coordinated manner is a major threat, according to the U.S. military. Therefore, the U.S. Department of Defense is looking for ways to counter it. To do so, it needs to have a sufficient number of interceptors. These are not necessarily anti-aircraft missiles. Electronic warfare capabilities and kinetic interceptors, including 30mm guns, can be used to counter drones. The Pentagon's Office of Drone Countermeasures is entirely focused on building drone neutralization capabilities. It conducted 4 demonstrations from spring 2021 to summer 2023. The first test was aimed at testing the capabilities of low collateral damage interceptors. The last test took place at a test range in Arizona and aimed to counter kamikaze strike drones. A 5th test, which will show the ability to neutralize a swarm of UAVs, is scheduled for June 2024.